The meaning of life is to find your gift. The purpose of life is to give it away. The older we get, the more we realize. The mystery of life isn't a problem to solve, but rather a reality to experience. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift, and that is why it is called the present. The deepest question we can ever ask ourselves is, what do we love? By living in the future, we're in a state of anxiety. Living in the past is a state of depression. But living in the present is a state of peace. We live as if we're never going to die, and die as though we never lived. But only when you live with love is the life worth living at all. People may forget what you say and forget what you do, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. So if you get the chance, make the world shine a little bit brighter.